Hey you guys, your girl Beauty with Mika. So I have a Coach Cassie's bag haul for you guys. I've had both these purses for a couple of months and I've been meaning to get this video out to you guys, and I figure what's the perfect time in the summer. Alright you guys, so with these purses, you guys know I love Louis Vuitton, but Louis Vuitton has a Pochette Metis bag that I was dying to get last year, and there was so many issues with the bag as far as like the class and the glaze. It was just to the point that after watching a lot of reviews, I was like, I don't want to take a chance spending all that money on the bag, and let me find something else. So I ran across these bags from Coach and I bought two of them, not at the same time, because you guys know Macy's always has a sale. So the first one is the black one, and I watched a ton of videos and this came out. So Coach has at least I think it's the same designer or somebody for Louis Vuitton. This is basically a dupe for the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Now the one thing I do like about this bag is that I was looking for something a crossbody feel. I have completely lifestyle changed, so don't get me wrong, I still love my huge bags, but when I'm out on the go, I still want to be cute. I got the twins with me. I need a crossbody. I don't have time to be carrying huge bags, so I've literally converted into like backpacks, crossbodies, or a medium hobo bag. When I do travel, I still take like my Louis Vuitton Never Full, and I have a couple of like large bags, but I don't have as many as I used to anymore because I'm just like, my lifestyle has changed. I need to be able to put sippy cups, some change of clothes if I get accidents with the twins, and if I just still want to be cute and I'm going to work, something like this would work. So this is the black one. It does have the gold C, and then I like with this one, it has the clasp, so when you lift it up, and you guys can tell I left the paper in here, when you lift it up, it does have this, and when you go inside, it has all this space. Now I did keep the paper in here, and I'm gonna show you guys in a side-by-side of how I would wear this bag. You can use it as a crossbody. This, I will put the retail price on it, but honestly I paid I would say $225 for the black one, because the black one is very popular. It does have the Coach tag on it and you could decorate it. I've seen some people buy a Coach fabric, which you can get at the outlets, and decorate your top handle with this. And then I do love the space on this bag. It does not have the stands on it at the bottom, but this is genuine leather and it has the back. So compared to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, this one is really good. This is the Coach Cassie, and this is just the genuine black leather. I did find that the black was hard to get in stock, so I actually purchased my black one at Nordstrom's, because Nordstrom's did like a crazy sale on the black one. When I tell you guys it was like a crazy sale during Black Friday, I know for this one we ended up paying like $175. I'm not sure if it was a glitch or something, but when Nordstrom's had a crazy sale, me and my husband literally was like, we need it. So shout out to Nordstrom's, because I don't know what type of sale they was doing, but I caught it on my wish list and I was like, yo, I gotta get it. So this is the first one. And if you're wondering, on my bags, especially if you order them like from Coach or from Nordstrom's, I always check to see if they have a dust cover with it. If they don't, or sometimes you order bags, Macy's never give out dust covers unless you go in store and you have to ask for a dust cover. And sometimes if they ship it, it doesn't even come with a dust cover. I usually get my dust covers for like $10 off Poshmark, depending on the brand, but I always ask for a dust cover to store my bags. So the second one, and the hubby originally, I bought the black one, the hubby bought the blue one. This one we got at Macy's, and I had wanted the black one originally. He was like, get something else besides black. So he picked up this blue one for me, and when I tell you guys I love it, so these bags originally, and I'm looking at the tag right here, it's originally $395. This one is the washed Cadbury in blue. So this one, compared to the black one, this one has a wash of denim blue, but if you notice on the bottom, it's all suede right here. So this is all suede material. It still has the back, and I love this top handle on it. And this was originally $395, and I think he paid $220 for it at Macy's, which was not bad. It still has the clamps on it, the little buckle. So when you open it, it has the same type of inside and you have all that space. I do like that you have the pocket right here. And I like to keep my stuff in, and then you have a zipper, and then you also have this secret hidden pocket back there. I always keep my stuff inside the bags, so that way when I use them, I put the stuffing inside the dust cover for now once I use them, and then I store them back the same way, so that way it can still keep its shape on the bag. This one does come with a bag. It comes with the crossbody. So I like with this crossbody though, you can go either light blue or the dark blue, and you're able to adjust it on the strap. So I'll show you guys again side by side. Now with this one, love it still. I was just like, yo, these are insane, but I did not. These are definitely Louis Vuitton dupes. Now when I did see videos on these were like must-have bags. It does come in tan and a couple of other prints, and Coach knows what they're doing right now with this bag, because when I tell you guys, it is hard to keep in stock. Like between Nordstrom's and Macy's and even the Coach website, it's hard to keep these in stock. Something that the hubby did pick up for me, because he knows I'm a creature of habit. If I got a purse, I need to have a wallet. And he picked up this Coach little wallet keychain for me. And this one is just so cute. It's just, I'm able to put a couple of cards in here. And then the little pocket for something. And let's see, this retailed for $50 regular price. I don't even think he probably paid $50 for this thing, but this is cute, and it has the little gold Coach emblem. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show you guys, because if you're in the market and you don't want to spend the $2,400 for the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, the Coach Cassie is what it is. I do love Coach, and I really have given Coach a break for a while. But when I seen these Cassie bags, I was like, girl, and you know Coach is quality. If you have any issues with anything with Coach, just like Louis Vuitton, you could always go in store. And they'll be able to fix it and repair it with no problem. So let me know what you guys think. Also, I noticed with the blue, it does have this snakeskin print. And I'll post all the links down below to where you can find these bags. I highly recommend doing what I did. I count these bags while they're on sale, because they're regular price almost $400. And I keep mine in the dust bag cover. So if you're wondering, this is what it looks like. That's how pretty much I store a lot of my luxury high-end bags. Keep them in a dust bag cover. Even my Michael Kors bags I keep in dust bags. I'm a creature of habit when it comes to dust bags. I really do like this. I think I want to get a tan one. I really feel like I want to get a tan one. I mean, I have the black and I have the blue. I'm thinking about it for a summer bag, but I really don't need it. So if I do, I'll come back and let you guys know my thoughts. Let me know, have you guys purchased this bag? What are your thoughts? Have you thought about it? If you've been looking into it. If you have the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis, please let me know down in the description, in the comments. Let's talk about it. And until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.